We're going to quickly run down the booking calendar, how to log in, how to check things, how to update. Let's say that somebody goes to your website and they select a couple of days on the booking calendar. Then they'll go to the area below and they'll enter their name and all of their other contact information. After they hit submit, then the items that they chose can either be booked automatically or they can wait until you approve the booking before they show up on the calendar. Then you will get a notice that says that you have a booking that's waiting for you to process. And then they will receive an email thanking them for their booking. And as you can see at the top, it says your cabin booking is being processed. So you log into your website using the credentials that we've given you. And you go into the booking form. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll see booking form. You click on there, and you're going to see all of your calendars because you can have more than one calendar here. Select the calendar that you want to go into. And you'll see that now there's 2 pending, and the pending ones are right here at the top. If you scroll down, you can see the dates that have been booked. And here you can make them available again should something come up, if the person cancels or something like that. And you can see that they haven't made a payment yet. By clicking on each individual one, you can see the details of the booking, the person's phone number, address, all the kind of credentials. You can make yourself notes here. If you decide to accept the booking or if you decide to reject it, you can instantly send an email to that person's contact information. And we have some pre-configured emails thanking you for your booking, or your booking has been confirmed, or possibly that the booking has been denied. So if you choose one of those, the email will automatically be populated. This saves you some time. So we've accepted the booking. And as you can see, it says accepted up here at the top. There's 2 that have been accepted. We still have 1 pending. And you can see that these have been booked. This is the next month. You can jump from month to month to see what has been booked and what is still available. And then the person will get an email like this saying that their booking has been confirmed. It gives them the date and all the details that they filled out. We're going to go back into the pending to see that we have 1 pending still. And let's say that we're going to send them an email. And this time we're going to say that there was a problem with the credit card or some other issue that we've decided to decline the booking. Again, you can include the details by flipping that switch at the bottom. And there's now no pending. There's 2 accepted. And if you look here, this is the email that they would receive. There's been a problem and for some reason their booking has been canceled or declined. Then you come back here and you basically log out. And that's all there is to it. So let's say that you want to book a room manually, or you want to delete a booking. Once again, we go back in and we can pick the one that we're going to say delete because of a cancellation or maybe there's a problem. And so if we click on that, go here to manage booking, we can come over here, and down at the bottom you'll see where it says delete booking. You just delete it, click OK, and then go back to the main screen. As you can see, it's gone at the top. So we will have to come back here and then make those rooms available again. Oh, and don't forget to save the calendar. That's really important. Now let's say that you want to add a booking manually. If you click on Add Booking here, then you can go in and you can fill in the details just like the customer would from the front end of your website. Don't forget to hit the Submit button, and then you can see that those two days are now booked. Now when you go back to your main page, you may not see those bookings on your calendar in the back end, and if that is the case, then what you'll need to do is refresh the page. And so there they are. And you can see it shows that they're booked down here. Now at this point, you may want to go in and send them the message, the email, basically confirming their booking, just like we did in the first part of this instruction. And again, don't forget to log out. That's very important.